Hi there, Cinco de Mayo is upon us, and I thought that I would share with you a super simple margarita recipe. I call it the beer bottle margarita. First of all, you need a can of limeade. Frozen limeade can be obtained at your department store, okay? And then we're gonna hold on to the can because it becomes a measuring device. We add 1 bottle of Mexican beer, whatever you like, whatever you choose. Add that in. Now we grab our limeade container, we put 1 limeade container full of club soda. Then we're gonna put 1 limeade container full of tequila. Please drink responsibly. Please do not drink and drive. This is a highly drinkable mixture, but it is rather potent, as you can tell. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my mixer stick, gonna mix in that limeade, get it all nice and mixy. Pour it into my tumblers. Beer bottle margarita. Enjoy with friends. Amazing. Happy Cinco de Mayo.